Good morning, boys and girls. It's Mr. V here. As you can see, I'm not in school today, but I am with you in spirit and via video Zoom. Just a quick little demonstration video on what I expect today for your assignments. First of which is the fraction subtraction sheet. We've been working on this now for a while. Hopefully it's going to come to you very quickly, and this won't be very difficult, and you'll get it done lickety-split according to what Mrs. Gall's directions are. Just quick little review, looking at the sample, 5 1/8 minus 1 and a 24th. LCM was 24 for both numbers, and 8 times 3 is 24, so 1 times 3 is 3, 24 times 1 is 24, so 1 times 1 is 1. And then subtracted to get 5 2/4, which reduces to 5 1/12, because 2 and 24 are both even, and we all know that even numbers can be reduced, so that 2 divided by 2 is 1, 24 divided by 2 is 12, making that our final answer. So find the LCMs of all the numbers. Remember to count by 5s, count by 15s, figure out what number you hear first. You can write the information out. That's always going to be helpful. But if you have any questions, ask Mrs. Gall or ask one of your neighbors. We got some throwback review, which is stuff that we got to keep up on. So I decided to do some volume today. Remembering our formula for volume is length times width times height. So on the sample one that was done, the length of this rectangular prism is 8. We'll multiply that times the width of 4, and then times 6. The base times the height. So 32 length and width times the height. 6 times 2 is 18. Regroup and circle. 6 times 3 plus 1 is 9. Oops, made a goof. 6 times 2 is 12, not 18. Sorry for that mistake. And that would be cubed inches. So practice your volume exercises on this. If you have any special tricks, let us know. Length times width times height will get you the volume. Show your work on the paper. Use your brain, but don't do it in your brain. Put your work down on the sheet of paper. Third sheet. Yep, third sheet. Simplifying fractions, which you should fly through, I hope, if you know your basic facts. This is going to be a cakewalk today, folks. If you look at our sample, 12/16 reduces to 3/4 because the GCF of 12 and 16 is 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 16 divided by 4 is 4. So find the GCF of all of the fractions. This is a proper fraction, so it's just going to reduce to a proper fraction. We have other items such as 36/14. That's going to reduce to something a little bit different. 14 and 36 have a GCF of 2. 36 divided by 2 is 18. 14 divided by 2 is 7. So you're left with 18/7. So you can reduce it to an improper fraction that's smaller. Then change it to a mixed number. 7 fits in there twice. And I have 4/7 left. So each improper fraction, like these, they're going to reduce, maybe, and then change to a mixed number like we did here. Reduce to a smaller improper fraction and change to a mixed number. Some of these, like on number 6, will just become a mixed number. It's not going to reduce. So finish that assignment and the other 2 sheets, and you'll have a great weekend. Whatever you don't finish today will be due on Monday. Finish up on the weekends. Watch the video again if you need any help. Check Google Classroom for all the videos that are on these things. Otherwise, that's about it. Look forward to seeing you Monday. Hope you have a great weekend.